Hello, friends. This is Coco, the little chef. Coco loves to bake yummy treats all day long. And today, Coco is making a great big cake for everyone to share. First, Coco opens the recipe book. Let's see, what do we need? Turn the page. There it is. Now we gather everything. Can you help Coco count the eggs? 1, 2, 3 round eggs. And a big scoop of soft, white flour. What else do we need? A little bit of sweet sugar. And a spoonful of yellow butter. So good. And last of all, a splash of cool white milk. Pour it in glug, glug, glug.
Coco is brown, brown as a bean, the tastiest cook you've ever seen. Stirring and mixing, yum, 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 cooking up treats for everyone. Cook, cook, Coco, tasty and true. When you share your snacks, you like Coco too. Stirring and mixing, yum, 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 cooking up treats for everyone. Cook, cook, Coco, tasty and true. When you share your snacks, you're like Coco too. Up treats for everyone.
Now, Coco pours the batter into a round pan. Slowly, slowly, all the way up. Nice and steady, Coco. Ooh, Coco takes a tiny taste of the batter. Yummy. A little puff of flour went poof. Silly Coco, all covered in white. Into the warm oven, the cake goes. Now we have to wait. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Is it ready yet? Ding, ding. The cake is ready. Ta-da! Look at the beautiful, round cake. It smells so warm and sweet. Time to decorate. Coco adds fluffy, white frosting. And 1, 2, 3 little red berries on top. So pretty. Ding dong! All of Coco's friends arrive, wearing their party hats. Hello, hello. Now for the very best part. Coco shares a slice with every friend. Yum, yum, yum. Sharing makes everyone happy. And after baking, we always tidy up. Väsh, väsh, skrum, skrub. What a wonderful day. Thank you, Coco, the little chef.